ready to soar, ready to rise. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, dancing through life, giving love.
Hello, beautiful babes. It's Sweet Angel. To the newcomers, thanks for stopping by. Please feel free to go ahead and subscribe and hit that little bell, and that way you won't miss upcoming videos and you'll become one of my beloved beautiful babes. Now, for my bona fide beautiful babes, welcome back and thank you for your constant support. It means the world to me. Y'all, let's get into today's video. Today I wanted to talk about Clary Sage Essential Oil. Clary Sage is one of my favorite essential oils, and I wanted to share with you 8 amazing uses and benefits of Clary Sage Essential Oil. Along with that, I have a pleasant surprise for you at the end of this video. Beautiful babes, let's get into Clary Sage Essential Oil. Here are some of the purposes, benefits, uses of this great essential oil. First, let me tell you about the aroma. It's herbaceous, sweet, and floral. And in order to use this amazing oil, let me tell you about some of the great benefits of it. It eases aches and pains. Clary Sage Essential Oil helps reduce inflammation and soothes painful muscle spasms. For pain relief, try blending it with lavender, bergamot, marjoram, or basil. It helps in promoting circulation. Along with soothing spasms, Clary Sage supports circulation. Try it to help ease varicose veins. Use it in supporting menstruation and balancing hormones. Pain during menstruation occurs because the uterus is contracting. The contraction brings painful cramps. Clary Sage provides pain relief and helps the pain go away faster. Clary Sage also supports menstruation by helping to balance the hormones for more regular menstruation and by calming irritability that can come with menstruation. Stress and depression, calming anxiety and symptoms associated with anxiety. Clary Sage Essential Oil has uplifting qualities that help ease stress when diffused. Its uplifting aroma helps with mental fatigue, exhaustion from overwork, and depression. Now for rest. Since Clary Sage is so great at calming anxiety, it can also help put you to sleep at night. It will help calm nervous thoughts as its calming aroma nudges you towards sleep. Now for digestion. Stress can bring on issues with digestion. Clary Sage is not only helpful in easing feelings of stress and anxiety, but it also soothes the digestion problems that can come with it. Digestive discomfort, gas, spasms can all be soothed with Clary Sage Essential Oil. It calms respiratory distress. Struggling to breathe is scary. Clary Sage helps relieve chest spasms that make it hard to breathe. It also offers emotional support in calming the distress that comes with difficulty breathing. And one of my favorites for skincare. Because of Clary Sage's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, this essential oil is helpful in reducing acne. This oil is also gentle, so it won't further irritate your skin. Now, just for a few notes of caution, when using this oil, it is kid safe for ages 2 and up. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, yes, you can use it, but make sure you consult your doctor. And it is animal safe for cats and dogs. And just as a special note, always dilute your essential oils. Now, for the pleasant surprise for all of my beautiful babes that watch this video, check this out. Right in the description box, I have for you 2 amazing recipes. One is for a circulation boost body butter, and the other one is great for a relaxing and detoxing foot soak. Enjoy those recipes. There are links in the description box for all of the ingredients for these recipes. And yes, they are some affiliate links. I certainly appreciate your support if you use those links. And beautiful babes, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you in fact did find this video helpful, and also that you got something great out of it or something you can share with a friend, please let me know by dropping a like on this video. Please support this channel also by subscribing and hitting the post notification bell, and that way you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. Beautiful babes, thanks so much for all you do on this channel. I appreciate you so much, time and time again. And guess what? I will see y'all on the next video, but don't forget to please share me with your world, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
She's been through the heartache, weathered the storm, still standing tall in grace she's adorned. Wisdom and wonder wrapped in her soul.